For I know the plans that I have for you, says the Lord, plans for peace and well-being, to give you a future and hope. Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11.
And oh, you're gonna love me, you're gonna wanna hug me and squeeze me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bisha Blue. If you are new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to be doing a soft glam nude. So if you guys like to see how I got this look, then continue watching this video. So I'm going to jump straight into it, and I'm going to start off by prepping my face with this Mint Mattifying face mist by The Body Shop. And if you have oily skin, then this is the GOAT right here. Not only that it's refreshing, but it makes my makeup last all day. So now that I've made that sit, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox primer, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. This helps to blur out all my pores and fine lines to get that smooth photo finish look. So I wanted to try something a little bit different today, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this e.l.f. jelly highlighter before my foundation. I want to achieve that glow from within kind of look. I know it's looking a little bit crazy right now, but just trust the process, sis. So now I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just pressing that into my skin. So now I'm just going to prime my lids with my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 330. So now I'm going to go in with this Morphe 35 XO palette, and I'm going to start off with the shade Just Friends. I'm just going to place that in my crease and blend that up. I'm going for a very subtle neutral look, nothing too crazy. So now I'm going to go into this darker shade called Slay the Field, and I'm using this flat brush, and I'm going to really work that into my crease just to give a little definition. So as I'm blending this in, you can see that I'm taking it down to the side of my eyes, and I'm blending everything upwards to get that snatch cat eye look. So now I'm going back in with that same fluff brush that I was using from the beginning, and we're just gonna blend everything in. Did I say I was going into Slay the Field before? I'm sorry. The shade that I went into before earlier is called Let's Snuggle, and now we're going to Slay the Field. And I'm taking this flat brush and then just patting that on my lids. So now I'm just going back in with that same fluff brush to just clean everything up. Now for face, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm just using this foundation brush and I'm just pressing that into my skin. Now, do you see that glow? Okay. So now I'm going in with this beauty sponge from Rare Beauty, and this is my first time using it. I bought it a while back, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. And I must say, the way that they shape it gives off a good position when applying products, but I feel like it soaks up too much product. Like, I don't know, I don't like that. And I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. So now I'm going in with some more concealer, and this is by NARS in the shade Walnut, just to add back some warmth to my face. So now it's time to contour, and I'm going in with this shade Stick by Juvia's Place in the shade Benign. And now I'm just going over that with my NYX finishing powder in the shade Mahogany. So now I'm going to set my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. And I'm just going to apply that to my highlighted areas. Now, I don't use an excessive amount of this because I don't bake. What I do is I just dab the excess on the back of my hand and then I just press the rest into my skin. I don't know. I just feel like it gives a more smooth and like not so like casket ready look. So now I'm gonna finish snatch my nose with the same NYX finishing powder, and I'm taking it in from the tip of my brows all the way down and just kind of like, you know, cuffing my nose. And then I'm gonna take that same beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend that in so that the lines aren't so harsh. So now I'm gonna apply this baked blush by Elf, and I'm going into the two top colors right here. I don't know, I just think it's a perfect mix for me, and we're just gonna apply that to our cheeks. Look how pretty that looks. So now I'm going in with my all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. So now I'm going in with my same Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterlines. And now I'm going in the shade called Met Online. I'm just gonna apply that right under my eyes. So now I'm gonna apply my wing liner and some lashes off camera and come back. So I'm gonna spice it up a bit and go into that shade Your Move and apply that to the inner corner of my eyes. You know, just a little razzle dazzle. Wow, that looks so pretty. So now I'm just lining my lip with this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm going to fill in my lips with this lip liner by Annabelle in the shade Rose. So pretty. And we're going to finish that off with this lip plumping gloss from Victoria's Secret.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Alright guys, so this is it. Just a quick, soft, neutral look. I feel like you can wear anything or go anywhere with a look like this. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. It's just a whole vibe, you know what I mean? Anyways, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Bye.